In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new view in Airtable. To get started, open the table where you want to create the new view. A view is simply a different way of looking at the same data, so you are not creating a new table or duplicating your records. You are just setting up a layout that helps you work more efficiently based on what you need to see. Once you're inside the correct table, move over to the Views section on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where Airtable keeps all of the available views for that table. If you already have existing views, you'll see them listed here. This makes it easy to switch between different setups without changing the underlying data. From there, click the option to create a new view. This is the starting point for building a custom way to organize and display your information. Airtable gives you several view styles depending on the kind of work you're doing. So the next step is to choose the view type that fits your workflow best. You can select from options like grid, calendar, Kanban, gallery, form, or another available view type. A grid view is great for a spreadsheet style layout. Calendar works well if your records are tied to dates. Kanban is useful for tracking stages or progress. Gallery is helpful when visuals matter, and form is ideal if you want to collect information in a structured way. Choosing the right type at the beginning can save time later. After selecting the view type, give your new view a clear and recognizable name. Try to name it based on its purpose, so it's easy to identify later. For example, your name should help you instantly understand what the view is meant for, especially if multiple people use the same base. Next, customize the view to match your needs. You can add filters to show only certain records, apply sorting to organize information in a useful order, create grouping to cluster similar items together, or hide fields that are not relevant for this particular setup. This is where the view becomes truly practical because you can tailor it to a specific task without affecting anyone else's preferred layout. Finally, review the view and save it for your workflow. Take a quick moment to make sure everything looks right and that the information is displayed in the most useful way. Once that's done, your new Airtable view is ready to use whenever you need it.